What
Really?
are you doing that for?
Well, it's like... Come see the view.
Good boy, Hiccup. Go bite him now.
I'm gonna...
No, he's like, stop moving, I'm trying to clean you.
The building material.
Hiccup. Hiccup.
You're getting a bit rapey now, Hiccup.
Yeah, what are you doing? Because it's like, oh, I'm not sure this is what I signed up for.
touching this light.
I've proven what we found.
What are you doing?